you're good enough, you're smart enough, and doggone it, people love you. Hello, my friends. I know, it's weird, it's creepy, but you know what? It's fun. I wanted to bring Albert back. I did recently use Albert in another video in order to do swatches of lipsticks, but you know, I don't think his time is done on this channel. I think that he needs to hang out a little bit more, and I was inspired by Jamie French and others who did the Tiny Hands Challenge. So
it is a river. Sometimes you just gotta dab it. But your eyebrows should be sisters, not twins. Another technique you can do is to just hold your brush steady and just shake your head. You don't even need a lip liner. Just use your fingers like Marilyn Monroe.
So Albert is back again, and if that sounds interesting to you to see if I can use Albert to help me do my makeup, hang tight. We're getting into it right now. He'll give you a high five this time. Bam. Wait, that was your face. Sorry. I also recently learned that Albert does have a cousin in California named Andrew, and he lives with my girl Bailey Sarian, and I didn't even realize it until you all let me know, and now they've connected through text message, and you know, they're enjoying texting back and forth to each other now. So thank you so much for letting me know so that they could reconnect. So the thing about the Tiny Hands Challenge is that you have 2 tiny hands, but with Albert, I only have 1 large hand. So I'm gonna be using this hand to position things for Albert, but all of my makeup must be applied by Albert. We'll see how it goes. I tried to pick products that I thought he could functionally use. Like I didn't pick anything with droppers or anything. Here we go. We're gonna start off with a little bit of face primer. We're gonna use some Hourglass because Albert's a little bougie today. Try putting just some on his finger and see if we can. I'm like, is it iridescent to you? Does it look like it's iridescent? It seems like this pointer finger is the most functional. Come on, Albert, you can do it. It's like getting up my nose. I didn't get my forehead at all, so unfortunately we're gonna have to go back in. Oh, I forgot to put my hairband in. I can't find my bear ears. I'm so upset. I used to have bear ears that I used for things like this. Well, not things like this because we've never done anything like this before. But I used to have bear ears and I lost them. I don't know what the world I did with them. He keeps poking me in my eyeball. Okay, I think we're rubbed in, but I feel like I've got a white cast on my face now. We're gonna move on to the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. He's gotta hold it independently, like I can't help him. Come on, Albert. Ooh, you know what? Maybe I can lace it between his fingers here. There we go. Nope. Nope. There we go. Kind of. Okay, I just have to keep readjusting. We're gonna get through this. Maybe he needs a beauty blender. What is my life? Oh, I want to curse so bad. But we're not going to introduce that today. No, we are not. That's it. I think that's as good as it's going to get. Okay, so now we got to do some concealer. We're going to use the Pacifica Liquid Cover Full Coverage Concealer. And I don't know how he's going to hold this. Ooh, that actually works very nicely, I think. That's not so terrible. That's not so terrible. Let's see if he can hold the sponge with the tip facing out so I can. This is not right. This is just not right. This should not be happening. What the heck? I'm just poking it all over because I just can't even. And y'all with your dirty minds, I know the jokes. I know they're coming. I know, gosh, man, really, Jen? Okay. But now we need to do some face powder. So we're gonna do some pure face powder. I didn't wanna use a loose powder because I don't wanna make a huge giant mess, but Albert's gotta be able to pick all the powder up. So here we go. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. My daughter's obsessed with that song. She's just sweet, but she's psycho, a little bit psycho. That's like my theme song right now. I better not get copyright stricken because that was such an accurate representation of that song. eye primer is going to be the new Ofra eye primer that I've been testing out. I did it! Yes! Now we just gotta blend it. Can you imagine someone like looking in my window right now? What the heck is this freak doing? So now that we have applied our fabulous base, I wanted to use the new Tarte Young Wild and Cruelty Free Unleashed palette and see if we can get this to work. Now, I did try this in my live stream for the first time, and I had a little bit of trouble with the matte blending, but I'm hoping the magic of Albert will help me with that. And he's holding this brush pretty nicely. So let's do a little warm tones today. So we're gonna go with Two Can Do It. Come on, Albert, Two Can Do It. Oh my gosh, that's too much product. I'm gonna like actually try, but I don't know, man. I'm a little scared of this. Hold the brush, Albert, hold the brush. Okay. All right, I give up on that. This is usually where I try to detail a little bit closer to my crease, so let's do No Fox Given. Man, these are really good names. Tap it off, tap it off, tap it off. Oh my gosh, this is the hottest thing a mess. Probably should have picked a less pigmented eyeshadow palette. This looks like my makeup application skills circa 2014. All right, time to blend. But one thing I could say is I don't have fallout. What's up with that? Good job, Tarte, on the lack of fallout on the matte shades, because I really should have fallout at this point, but I don't. Let's go into monkey business. It's more, I think this is more just like, well, number one, I don't know why anybody would actually do this for, oh, come on, really? Look at that, what is happening? That did not work. I don't know what to do, because I feel like this is just, it's like flashbacks from my look that I did with the Flower Beauty stuff. Let's try lightening it up a little bit with this Your Lion shade. Hold the brush. Oh, there we go. Got a little nice little swipe there. I don't know. I'm not really liking how warm this is, but we're just gonna go with it. Now, somehow I have to do my lower lash line, and I'm very, very nervous about this. This angle brush, and we're gonna dip into Bare Necessities. Oh, Albert, please don't poke me in my eyeball, please. That looks a hot mess. I'm making mascara face for this entire video. You know mascara face when you're like putting your mascara and you're like, that's like my frozen face for this entire video. Let's do a little bit of this hypocritical shade. That's so cute. Doesn't really match the rest of the look, but you know what? We're just having fun here. Okay, I'm giving up. I'm giving up on the eyes. Let's do some brows and maybe that'll start bringing it together. We're gonna use the Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder. I'm just gonna set it down on the table. These big old fingers are in my way. I can't even see what the world I'm doing. Get your big fingers out of my Hey! Good job, Albert. Well, let's spoolie it out. It's not. This is terrible. But what's even worse is trying to apply eyeliner. I'm gonna get it nice and solid in between his fingers. We got this, we got this. We got this, we got this, we can do it. Jessie's Girl liquid eyeliner. It's probably the only thing that's actually looking half decent. Well, except for that it's so crooked. I thought it looked good and then I'm like, maybe not. I thought I was doing a good job, genuinely. But nope, not so much. Now, I want to thank Too Faced for sending over the Damn Girl mascara because this is a giant tube of mascara, and I think that Albert's really gonna be able to hold on to it really well. So we'll see. This is my first time using this mascara. It looks like the Better Than Sex wand. I wonder what the difference is between these two. I don't know. Probably won't get a valid test today though. Yes. What am I doing? What am I doing? Really? Now at least they match, you know? My nose at least matches now. I'm ready to go out on the town right now. See, this is the thing. If I try to have Albert wipe it off right now, it's gonna smear everywhere. What do I even do? I'm gonna let it dry, is what you're supposed to. You're supposed to let it dry, right? And let's go ahead and do a little bit of blush. And of course, we're gonna be using the Sigma blush palette that I have been using all the singing time lately. So we're gonna use the shade Pinkin. Oh, that's doing pretty well, actually. And now that I'm looking at it, I wish I'd used the coral blush instead of the pink blush, but you know, the people at the mall aren't gonna care. Albert, are you ready to contour? You think you're gonna be able to handle this? I know you can, I believe in you. ABH contour kit. This is the shade I always use. Can we contour? Yes, we can. Oh, so pretty. I got this. I got this. And then do a little highlighting with Mary Lou. I figure if anybody's gonna come through for me in this situation, it's Mary Lou by the Bomb. Because she is for my forever girl, my forever highlighter. Okay, so now we need to figure out what we're gonna do with this mascara smudge because this is not cute. Because I can't do it myself. Albert's gotta do it. It's him. He's gotta do it. He's gotta come through for me. Okay, somebody told me once that you can use a spoolie to remove this stuff. This is not good. We're in a bit of a pickle here, Albert. We're in a bit of a pickle. I think that we've really made a mistake here. We've really done it now. Well, if you have an idea of how I could have gotten this black smudge off my face, please leave it in the comments below because I can't get it off. We got this side off. What is happening over here? What is that? What is that? It looks like dirt. There we go. Blend, blend, blend. Let's move on to lips because that's what we got left. Okay, so I got these at Ulta today, and if you watched my Jaclyn Hill dupes video and you got to the part where I was talking about formula dupes, this is an Ulta lipstick, and it has the same first ingredient as the Jaclyn Hill lipsticks, as Tom Ford lipsticks, as Bite Beauty lipsticks. So I bought a few of these. They were on sale, buy two, get two free. So I got 4 of them. This one is in the shade Cappuccino. Hey, what's up? What's up, lipstick application? Oh yeah. That's actually not bad. I think I did a good job with that. And I like the color. It feels kind of nice. It smells like a lipstick though. Is that the finished look? Well, the only way we're gonna know if this is the finished look is if we do the Beauty Guru poses. So what do you think? Is that the finished look? How are we doing? We're gonna say the challenge is over, that's the finished look, but I am gonna wipe this off with my own hand just because it's bothering me really, really bad. So overall, this was really hard. This was definitely a challenge. I'm really glad that I did it. And if you ever wanna spend some money on a rubber hand and you're not allergic to latex, I recommend you try it too. It was super fun. If you feel like there's anything that you would have done differently as I was applying this, please leave your thoughts down in the comments below because I would still love to learn from you in the collective brain of makeup awesomeness where we help each other not to buy crap or do dumb things with fake rubber hands. And yeah, leave your thoughts down below. If you enjoyed this video and you enjoyed seeing Albert, give this video a big ol' thumbs up, and thank you again so much for watching. Mad love to you, and I will see you in a video very, very soon.